Hey developers, how are you? I hope so you are doing well. And in this video, we are going to learn how to make FAQs for our Swimmer website. And in this video, I have a special surprise for all of you. And it's related to the Swimmer projects. So don't miss it out and let's get started the video and connect to the video to the end. Okay, so you can get more knowledge and step by step guidation. Okay, so let's get into the video without wasting any of the time. We are on the computer screen here, and here is the FAQ that we are going to do in this video. Okay, so let's get into the framework. Yeah, we are in the framework, and this is the FAQ that we are showing here. So let's learn that how we can make it from a scratch. Okay, so yeah, firstly what you have to do, simply go to the layers. After that you have to make a frame like this and give it a max width, so it will not go out from the max width of the div. Okay, so simply give a max width here like 800 and it should be in pixel. After that make it fill here. Okay, you can give it a color of gray like that. Yep, give it a padding, and for the padding you have to do make the layout to the open like this. After that you can give the padding. I'm giving 20 from each side. Okay, now we can move to the radius. It should be about 15. Now the main thing happens here. You have to make the layout structure in the naming convention so you can get know that what you have to do and what you have done. Okay, so simply make the naming here like it is the FAQ. Okay, after that you can simply make another frame for the question side. Simply make it question and the layout should be open and make the width fill like this. After that you have to add the text inside it like that, and now zoom a little bit and you can add your content here. Okay, I'm just adding a simple content here like this. You can change the font family from here, font color from here. After that you have to take one icon to make the show that FAQ is opening or not. Okay, so for icon you can go to the feather. Here is the feather, simply drag it in the FAQ, and here we are using plus icon like that. Give the color to the white. Yeah, the main thing happens here. We have to do the height to be the fit content like that, and make the space to the space between, so it can get the space automatically when it will be around getting smaller. Okay, so give it space between, and now it is the question side, so we can give a name it question. In the starting of the video, I have already tell you that I have a very special surprise for all of the Figma users. Let me tell you what it is and how we can take advantage of that. The surprise is that I have a website named Blupry.io. It's a very cool, amazing site. Let me tell you why. It's a marketplace basically. You can buy templates here, you can buy code overrides, you can buy any of the component which takes a Framer user or Framer developer hours and hours to make it. So you can buy it in a very reasonable price and you can save a lot of time. So you can make sure that you can go to the description and go to the link of Blupry.io and visit it. And if you want to buy anything from Blupry.io, so use my code Framer with Coffee to get a 10% exclusive discount. Okay, so let me give you a quick tour so you can get a better understanding here. Okay, so we are on the Blupry.io website here. Okay, so in the meantime, in some framework forms, we want to use custom things like switch, like the slider for the range, for the option picker. Sometimes we want progress bar. So they all are providing us in a very reasonable price. Let me tell you how we can integrate them in our website. So simply suppose that we are going to use a switch here. So click on switch. After that, you can select any of the switch here, like the circle, the toggle, the checkbox, any of them. I am going with the circle one, and you can set the default value as per your needs. I want it to be false. After that, you can set the border color. You can set the inside color. Okay. After that, make a short note here. Hi. You can make it generate from here. And the cool thing that I found here, you can get a live preview of the thing before buying it. Okay, so you can check it out from here, like the code is working or not. Yeah, it's really working here. And now the step is how to integrate that in our website. So here you can find a email input. Simply make sure that you have put your email here, like that, and simply press the button. After that, go to your email to check the submission here, and in the submission you have to check to the spam folders also. Like, yeah, it is in the inbox, but sometimes it get into the spam folder, so please check it in the spam also. Here you can find the code that we have generated in the previous step. So simply go to the framework project here. It's make a copy. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time here. Yeah, simply confirm it, and you can see that our input is here and our code is here. So go to the mail, simply copy all of the code here, go back to the framework project, paste all of the code here, like that, and make the website publish. And in the live link you can see we have achieved the same thing, right? So like this you can get many of the components here, and use my code Framer with Coffee to get a 10% exclusive discount. And let's get back to the topic. Yeah, we are in the Framer now here. Okay, so we are on the question side here. So after that we also want an answer side, right? So we want the FAQ to be the vertical direction here, and answer should be in the below section. Give it a name to the answer. After that, make the width to the fill, and we don't want any of the color here. Simply make a text inside it, but before we have to make the layout to the open, like this, and make the text inside it. Okay, simply copy all of the text that you want to put it into the answer. Okay, like I'm just copying it here and here, like that. And the one thing that you need to pay attention, that the text should be in the fill form, not to be the fit content. Here you can see it is in the fit content, so make the width to be the fill content and the height to be the fit content for the above layer, not to the same for the answer layer, like here. Okay, after that go to the figure, make it to the fit content for the height. Okay, yeah, let's go here. The main thing that we have to do it to the functional area. So simply select all of the FAQ here, go to the component section, make a component, and make sure that you make the visible none of answer section, so it is not visible in the starting point. So choose the answer, go to the CSS panel, make the visible to the no. After that, make a component variant here, and we have to show the answer here like that. Now we can use the minus icon for here. Make sure that you have choose the white color. Now the simple thing, it makes to the functional. Choose the first element. There is a thunderstorm. Simply connect that to the variant that you want to show on click. Like I want to show this one on the click of first variant. Simply choose it and make it drop here like that, and choose the event like I want it to be done on click. So choose click here. After that, go to variant 2 and make the same thing happen here. Okay, get back to the home, make the width to the fit like this, and make sure that you publish the website here. Yeah, as you can see, our FAQ is working properly. So by applying this method, you can get any of the FAQ done here. And if you don't have any framework account and you want to try a framework, so you can get the link in the description. So get a framework account from there, and you can get the blupry.io link in the description, so you can get any of the element, any of the component from there, and use my code framework with coffee for 10% exclusive discount. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so you can get the notification. Okay.